Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. This is Mike Dave Yup, and for today's video I'll be doing a very quick video. This is about once you go DAC, you'll never go back. I have bought a DAC or digital analog converter. This is to upgrade the overall sound quality coming from my PC. So this is a gaming DAC. But this is it's a gaming DAC, but you can use this as a normal DAC for you, whether it's going to be a portable use or permanent use in your PC. Our PC or personal computers or desktop computers can only do so much with the output sound quality. You can do it with adjusting its bit depth and bandwidth to 24-bit and 192 kilohertz. It wouldn't be as good as having a dedicated DAC to play all of those lossless files. I still remember back in the days wherein computers not just having a GPU around, but they also have either physics cards or other cards, especially from the one from Creative Sound Blaster, if I remember them correctly. They are DACs, but right now I think they're mostly used on studios in producing music. But especially when most of the computers right now, especially the GPU, can consume 2, 3, or even 4 slots. So there's nothing left for a dedicated sound card inside the PC. So the other option is go for a portable DAC or an external DAC. So without further ado, I will be making a quick review about this. This is the Fosi Audio K5 Pro. This is the Fosi Audio K5 Pro. Inside the box, you'll be greeted with, so here's your manual. If you have problems with the connection of the device, this is a very straightforward manual and it will tell you everything and how to set this one up. You have here your hybrid USB Type-C cable. Why is it hybrid? Well, it does have a dongle USB Type-A, but this is purely a USB Type-C to C connection because we'll talk about later about this. You have here your splitter for the output. So one here is for the microphone input and one is for the headphone. Here's your Toslink or optic fiber or optical cable. Lastly, we have here the DAC. There you go. Here is the Fosi Audio K5 Pro DAC. Here in the front side, we have here your heads for the output of the headset, the microphone. We have 3 volume knobs. We have here your bass, your treble, and your volume button / power on and off. Something at the top. There's a rubber feet at the bottom, and on the back, the 3 of them is audio in and this is audio out. RCA outputs, coaxial one, optical, and your USB power. You can also use this same USB power connect directly to your PC or your smartphone. So for the USB sampling rate, if you choose to use the USB input option, you have this bandwidth or sampling rate of 24-bit by 96 kilohertz. If you use the optical or coaxial, this has a sampling rate of 24-bit and 192 kilohertz. Okay, so the headphone impedance supported for this one, or the resistance, is 16 ohms up to 300 ohms. So this is your USB Type-C to Type-A. This is a connected dongle here. So if you plan to use this on your PC or just for power options, then you can just there. Or if you'll be using a USB Type-C brick, then the USB Type-C to C here will work just fine. The good thing around here is that this is both USB Type-C to C, which means you can connect this through your phone with the latest iPhones and your any other Android device that supports USB Type-C and output power delivery. But I think most of the devices do. Since I do not have a coaxial, I'll be using this included Toslink, optical or Toslink. So I'll be connecting this one directly from the DAC to my PC because my PC has an optical output for audio. Now, speaking of its controls, that's clicky because this is a multifunction volume button. Long press to turn it on, a single or short press, this will change its mode. So On when powering this one on, this is by default USB. Changing that one for a short press will get you to optical, and lastly here we have coaxial. I won't be able to provide you a sound impression because I do not have a professional equipment here, especially with microphone, especially with either of those in-ear type of binaural microphones or those ear-looking silicone 3D IO 3DO for binaural microphones to let you listen the difference between from my PC and coming from the DAC. Of course, there will be compression with the YouTube algorithm or Facebook algorithm, but at least I can give you a realistic sound impression. But unfortunately, I do not have those equipment. I'm really sorry about that. Thank you so much all for tuning into this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I will be putting down my social media links. Also, my affiliate links for AliExpress, Shopee, and Lazada down below in the description. The first thing I said on this video will also be the last one. Once you go DAC, you'll never go back. Thank you all for tuning in, and you all have a great day. Bye!